Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama here. Welcome to Topeka, Indiana. We got a little bit of an overcast, a little cloudiness, but I think you're going to love the brightness of this home. This is an Anderson 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 68. It's manufactured by Champion Homes, the best in the business. And I thought I would get you guys a video of this. This is a home that I had produced for someone and they're not going to take it. So it is available immediately, available for immediate delivery. And I can also build you one if you would like some different colors and whatnot. So let's go inside and take a look at the interior. I got Shay here with me again. I tried to do a video by myself, but this is not a one-man parade here. It's me and Shay's behind the camera. So I thank her so very much. Here we go. So this customer opted for only 3 different options and to keep the price down. So the first option you're going to notice is we've got linoleum throughout. This is a stone washed pattern linoleum. Really, really nice. Goes with the cabinets really well. This is a timber wolf cabinet with a drama marble countertop. We'll get into the kitchen here in just a second. But I wanted to point out these standard walls. It's a Casper cashmere pattern. And if you haven't seen the rest of my videos, please check them out. I go into a lot more detail with some of the features. While I've got you right here, we might as well talk about the windows. I think I've talked about this before, but we've got gridded windows. They're dual pane, single hung, spring loaded. Spring loaded. They do tilt in for easy cleaning. 2-inch mini blinds as well. Throughout the whole home. So as we come in here, we have timber wolf cabinets. We've got timber wolf flat, and that's an included feature. And marble countertop. That is one of the standard features of this home. We have several countertops you can choose from. We have stainless steel appliances in here, an 18 cubic foot refrigerator, an electric stove with a hood. Those are all standard. We could add a dishwasher right here if you were going to build your own. Here we come around to the breakfast nook right here. And if we go all the way around, you're going to see the washer dryer area, main water shut off throughout on our Gold Star series. I can put a gas dryer in here if you would choose, but it does come standard electric. Here's your back door. On this end of the home, the bedrooms are on separate ends, by the way. You've got the master bedroom. We kept the bathroom in here very simple. Tub shower combination, 1-piece, 60-inch fiberglass shroud. We could do a walk-in shower there if you wanted. Nice big walk-in closet here. Your water heater's hiding in there. 30-gallon electric water heater is the standard for that. Now we're going to go to the other end of the home. Oh, this hutch is also included. I didn't point that out. Brushed nickel cabinet knobs. So you got storage down there as well as in your cabinets. That's a good deal. Everybody needs more storage. Here is bedroom 2. Plenty of room in there. Bath 2. Bedroom 3. This would also make a great office. So this is just a glimpse of the different color combinations and options you can put in here. Like I said, there's very minimal options in this home. So there's lots of other things that we can do if you choose. We can move some rooms around. We can add some windows. We can do some sliders. We can do some exterior cosmetic changes. You're going to get a great home. 2x6 walls, 30-pound roof load. 10-year structural warranty, 25 on your shingles. My phone number's in the description below. I'll put you up in a hotel free if you want to come visit me here at the factory. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama.